Here at the Central Kitchen, we get a nice variety of produce that we get in from fruits and vegetables. We have some oranges behind us that we are wedging. We use not just oranges, but whatever fruits or produce that is available during season. Some people ask when we package the food. So our fresh fruits and vegetables are packaged on the same day, every day. They're never done multiple days in the past, but they're done the day of. Our sandwiches are also done on the same day as well. So when we are doing the sandwiches on the after-school program, we make those sandwiches fresh day of.
I'm at one of our local farms. We purchase citrus, lettuce, tomatoes, pepper, avocado, pears, apples, cucumbers, and many, many more. In addition to purchasing from our farmers, we brought some activities for the kids to connect the cafeteria with our farms. We have gardening activities, classes in planting to encourage our students to eat nutritious meals.